Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the USB debugging settings of your device Vivo Y02s. So if you want to learn about how to use USB debugging in your device Vivo Y02s, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn all about the USB debugging settings of your device.